friends, welcome to my channel. We will be working on exercise number 22 today. So let's get started. We're going to start by drawing some circles. We know the radius of them, so I'm going to go ahead and click on center radius command for the circle. I'm going to choose one circle of radius 15. Somewhere on the screen I'm going to click, and then I'm going to choose the same center of that radius of that circle, and I'm going to this time go ahead and type a radius of 10. I'm going to draw a line from the center of this one all the way here, 50, escape, and I'm going to go 80 down. So I'm going to click on line again, from that center 80 down, straight down, 80. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to go straight down 80. Escape. I'm going to copy these two circles together. Press enter. Now pick it up with my mouse, clicking it, picking it up, dropping it off where the other circle is supposed to be. Now I'm done. I'm going to press escape. I need just like the last exercise. If you haven't watched, please go ahead and watch that. I have explained it in details. Now we need another tangent radius. So I'm going to click on tangent, click here, tangent to this one, and the radius is supposed to be 30. Same command. Tangent 30. And I'm going to trim the unwanted parts. If you have questions in regards to why I chose that command, and you haven't watched the last video, or if you have but you still have questions, please let me know in the comment section so I can make another video and explain this in further details. Press escape. I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and click on tangent radius, 30, enter. Tangent radius, tangent to this, and the radius is 30. So depending on where I'm choosing my tangent points, that's how the circle is going to end up being. And I'm going to trim the unwanted parts. There we go. So another one again, tangent radius, this time to these two circles, this side of them, 30. And I need a circle, tangent to these two circles with a radius of 30. Press enter. Now I'm going to trim unwanted parts. And I'm going to erase these 3 lines that I don't need anymore. There we go. If you have any questions, again, let me know in the comment section. I'll make another video. I'll explain this in more details. Hopefully it's easy enough for you to understand. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on new videos. Thank you.